Drones are redefining modern warfare. From the skies to the ground, they're changing the way conflicts are fought and won. From simple reconnaissance missions to autonomous combat systems, drones have evolved from humble beginnings into powerful tools of war. Drones offer unmatched versatility, surveillance for intelligence, pinpoint strikes for precision, and logistical support for rapid deployment. Their versatility is unmatched. Speed, efficiency, and minimal risk for human soldiers are driving their adoption. Drones can operate in high-risk environments while reducing casualties and providing real-time data. While drones provide incredible capabilities, they come with significant ethical challenges. The debate over autonomy, collateral damage, and the long-term implications of drone warfare is intensifying. Artificial intelligence is driving the next wave of drone technology. Smarter, more autonomous systems capable of rapid decision-making, tactical coordination, and more complex missions. Drones are not just for combat. They have the potential to be a force for good, assisting in humanitarian aid, disaster response, and rebuilding communities post-conflict. Please subscribe, like, and share the content.